morning, everyone.
Hey guys!
We've got some good news.
Woo!
We've reached 500 subscribers.
Thank you very much. We love each and every single one of you.
Thank you.
You're all amazing.
That was a milestone we wanted to get to.
Yeah. The next one's 1,000.
Yeah, but I think 500 was the main one we wanted to get to.
Yeah. It shows that you guys are liking what we're doing. I know it's not going out here, there and everywhere, but circumstances and all that. We're just trying his best, see what we can do for you. But yeah, thank you very much to every one of you out there. Hope you're all staying safe and well.
Yeah.
But yeah, today what this one's going to be doing is making a bag. It's a bag for life that she's making.
Yeah.
I know they're only a couple of quid, but you can make them cheaper.
No, really this one's a cotton one, so you can wash it and it'll last you longer. Yeah. Better for the environment as well.
Yeah. And I've got a little project underway. It's this. It's going to be a graveyard with a house there, and bits and bats going off. But what I'm doing today is I'm going to be making these fences look old and worn. I'm going to be using a little silver paint pen.
You're going to vlog it?
I might do actually.
Yeah.
But I'll be making them look old with a bit of brown paint and that. So yeah, that's going to be me for today.
You're right in the light. Right, I'll have to say that again.
So yeah, that's going to be me for today. After I've had something for dinner.
Yeah, let's go get dinner. Then we can get this stuff started.
Yeah.
Go and speak now. So we'll see you in a bit.
Yep, we'll see you in a bit, guys.
Bye.
Have fun.
So what you will need for this make, we don't need like the roller cut. You could use scissors, you could use a normal ruler, but what is good to use for this is you've got your cutting roller, you've got pins, your tailor's chalk or dressmaking chalk, tape measure, ruler and a cutting board. Oh, obviously a sewing machine. Yeah. But yeah, so these are what you need. So what you need to do is select your fabrics, and I'm going Halloween theme, which is no surprise. Like that. So that's going to be my liner, and that's going to be the outside. So let's get cutting. So I'm going to cut out 2 lining squares, well 2 squares for the liner, 17 inches across, 18.5 inches down, and then I'm going to do the same for that because that's going to be using the outside. So once you've decided on the size of the bag you want to make, it can be any size whatsoever using any material. You need to cut 2 pieces for your liner and then 2 pieces for the outside of your bag. Always allow between 1/2 inch to 1 inch for your hems, because you need to leave quite a thick hem on this to make sure your bag is strong enough. What you can do is when you cut your first square for your bag, you can use that as a template to cut on the rest. So all you have to do is just put your first square on top of the material and then just cut around it, and this should make them all the same size. Once you've done squares for the main bag, you then need to cut out your pocket. So it all depends on how big you want your pocket. It can be any size you want, it's all up to you. So you just measure the pocket out. This is the inside of the pocket, this liner that I'm doing now. And the stripes are going across because you're not going to see this, so it doesn't have to be 100% perfect. So far, budge there. So far I've cut out my pocket and the actual bag. So now I'm going to cut out the handle. So because I want quite a thick handle on this one, I'm going to use this here, and then obviously that'll be doubled over. So yes, we're getting there. So if we cut everything out first, then you sew it all at the end. So much easier. So this is everything cut out. We have the bag, top cover, lining, and then for the pocket I haven't gone down, I've gone across, but that is just because it saved fabric. Rather than cutting into a big piece, I've used like an offcut, but that'll go inside anyway, so you won't really see it. And then these are the straps, and I've decided to have a thicker strap than on that bag I first showed you, so you can cut the strap to however thick you want it. So first we're going to stitch the pocket. So we've put the fabric right sides together, and then we're going to stitch across there and fold it over so you get that nice little edge like so. Before you start sewing, always make sure that your cotton's pushed away to the side and never get your fingers caught. So once you've stitched along your edge, you then turn it the right way, and then iron along your top there. Press it along the top. I've been told to say, not iron. Millennials don't know what pressing means. Iron along the top. So now I'm going to stitch another line along the top, leaving a little gap, just for a little bit of decoration and just to finish it off a bit better. So you should always sew on the side, sew the side up, so then you can see the bit that's facing out. You need to sew that side up, if you know what I mean. The only reason I didn't this time is because I was following this line.
So just sew your pockets down each side and then put your middle stitch in to separate your pocket. There.
So that middle stitch will create two pockets rather than one big one. So I'm going down there, down there, down there. So there we go, I've stitched down there and down there, and I've stitched that, so now I have two pockets.
And you put your other piece of fabric on top, right sides together.
Right sides together, right way up.
And then you have to sew down the side, along the bottom and up the other side.
Not that much.
Yeah. And the other one.
So on the bottom, cut the corners off just a little bit. So then it's, what is it? And
So you can turn your corners out better.
You could turn your corners out better, by the words of
Not as
Dotty.
bulky.
So that's the first bit complete, looking beautiful. So it's right sides together, pin it, and then you're going to stitch down there, across there, and up there. Okie dokie. So I've stitched down there, across there, and up there, and I've trimmed my little corners. So now I'm going to do the straps, and you fold these like that, and then you stitch all the way down, and then you'll turn them out and press them. So I've stitched the handles all the way down there, and now I'm turning it inside out, which is taking its time, but it'll be worth it. So once you've pressed your straps, you then pin them to where you want them, and then do the same on the reverse. So once your handle's in place, you're then going to stitch them along there and along there. So once you've sewn your handles on, the next step is to put your bag inside the lining.
Right sides together. Make sure your handles are tucked in. Joining up your side seams. You then pin it all the way around, but, well, not all the way around, no. You have to leave a little gap there between your handles so you can turn your bag out.
with your hole that you left, you now turn it inside out, you pull it all out. Ta-da! So now this has been pressed, we're then going to stitch a line close to the edge all the way around, and that will also close up the hole that you left there to turn your bag out. So we're going all the way around. So this is the finished bag and I'm very impressed with it. I also made, with the help of the little Dotster, I also made a little label for it because I just think that finished it off. So you've got your two pockets, and like I said, the lining, you're not going to see the lining, so it's not too bad that the straps actually go across inside. And I'll show you inside the bag. I've just got some props because I've just put a picture on Instagram. If you don't follow us on Instagram, follow us from the show. So yeah, so that's your lining and that's the bag. So yeah, so now I will end this vlog. I'm very impressed with my bag, can I just say. It's proper cute. There we are. You can obviously, if you want, put like some buttons on the front or jazz it up a bit, depending on the material that you use. We just had some Halloween fabric, so of course it had to be Halloween. I mean, look, Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Happy Halloween. So if you found this vlog helpful or anything, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for all your subscribes so far. You are amazing, and we'll keep trying to keep you entertained in this lockdown. So yeah, give it a go, make a bag. It was actually pretty more easy than what I thought. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go, and we will see you in the next vlog. Stay safe and checking on any elderly neighbours that you have. So see you later, bye.